This is Azfar Asad and you are watching the Saaz Academy's YouTube channel. Chapter number 2, the particulate nature of matter, subchapter number 2.2, atomic structure. Atoms contain protons, neutrons and electrons. Protons have positive charge while neutrons have neutral charge but same mass as protons. Since an atom is electrically neutral, electrons has to carry a negative charge and the amount of electrons is the same as the amount of protons. Particle symbols, relative masses and charges. Protons and neutrons are located in nucleus. These make up Nucleon number. Electrons move around nucleus in an orbit called electron shells. Proton number is the number of protons in an atom. Nucleon number is the number of protons and neutrons in nucleus of an atom. Therefore, to find the number of neutrons, we subtract proton number from nucleon number. That is, nucleon number minus proton number is equals to neutrons. Electrons have the same number as protons to balance the charges. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Therefore, their nucleon number is different. Example, hydrogen atoms has 3 isotopes. Electronic configuration. Electrons are placed in orbits. First shell contains maximum 2 electrons. Second shell contains 8 electrons. And up till first 20 electrons, third shell contains 8 electrons. But from 21st electron onwards, third shell has a maximum capacity of 18 electrons. To write electronic configuration, we write as NNN, where first N denotes the first shell, second the second shell, and so forth. Example, sulfur has electronic configuration of 286. The valence electrons are the number of electrons of the outermost shell. Sulfur has 6 valence electrons. Relation with periodic table. Elements in same horizontal rows are known as periods. Elements in same vertical columns are known as groups. Group 1 has 1 valency, Group 2 has 2 valency, Group 3 has 3 valency, and so on. Group 0, which is also known as Group 8 or Group 18, has full valency, which makes it having a stable electronic configuration. Down the period, the number of shells increases. Please like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest updates and live stream notifications from the Saaz Academy. Thank you very much.